Okay, there are some that I would probably not want.
Like Lego? I wouldn't want the Wreck-It Raccoon one that I sent you a picture of, because I think that's freaking ugly and creepy as shit.
Several of the ones that are the creepy ones, yeah, no.
Like I like the Lion King one, kinda, but at the same time I also don't like it because it's too animatronic-esque, and I find that super creepy.
Yeah. Oh. We're not in
I don't know.
Huh.
Oh god, get off of it, please.
I don't understand that either. There's no Helltide right here, but the chest is here.
Huh, okay. It's pretend Helltide.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe that makes it easier for the server to not have to populate them when the Helltide kicks off, maybe?
Rocket, Raccoon, Lego.
Oh no, you're gonna scare your people.
No, I'm just, I'm not doing it per se. If they choose to click it, they can.
Yeah.
That's not what I want. I just want the image. Open image, new tab. I don't need to send it to people to Walmart.
Oh, I was like, wait, why is it? I'm looking at your stream, and all of a sudden, was like, why is that so choppy? Oh, because you're tabbed out.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, Spirit, I get that. I actually went through. I got curious about doing a build today, and I was like, yeah, no, okay, never mind. No way.
Stupid spider.
I want to build like the best, freaking badass.
I think it's creepy.
Ooh.
I think that Lego's creepy. It's awful.
I saw a mod, so there's an arachnophobia mode in Satisfactory that turns the spiders into cats.
Mm-hmm.
They're not okay cats. It doesn't make it better.
No, it doesn't.
I saw that, I was just like, yeah, no. I was like, I'd rather deal with spiders. Oh yeah, sure. So yeah, so that land PC build I did, yeah, about $6,000. Which included a monitor too.
Wait, that you like did a mock build of?
Yeah, well, yeah, PC part picker.
Oh, okay.
New PC for the kids. The kids rig just got a nice video card upgrade. It's good for a while.
What did I just get?
That 2060, whatever it was.
Mm.
It may have been a 2060. I don't remember, 2060 or 2060 Super. But it was an upgrade from a 1660.
I think a lot of things are upgrade from the 1660.